In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically insert serial numbers in Google Sheets. Now, have you ever found yourself needing a quick and efficient way to number rows in your spreadsheet? Whether you're organizing data, managing inventory, or simply keeping tabs, getting those serial numbers in place without having to manually enter them can be a real time saver. Today, we're going to harness the power of the if function for exactly this purpose, making your job a whole lot easier. So let's get started with breaking it down in manageable steps. The core principle here is pretty straightforward. We're going to tell Google Sheets, if the target cell isn't empty, let's go ahead and input the row number -1, but if it is empty, we'll just leave it blank. This clever bit of logic keeps your numbering neat and organized, skipping over any blank entries. Here's how we go about doing that. Let's assume you're working with data that starts in row 2, and your data begins in column B. The cell in this example we'll be focused on is B2. Our first step is to check whether B2 is not blank. We set this up by writing the condition in our formula, B2 not being equal to blank. Simple enough, right? Next, we move on to capturing the row number itself. This is where the row function comes into play. It's a handy tool for retrieving the number of a particular row. However, since our row in this context starts at 2, we don't want the row number itself, we want 1 less. So, we subtract 1 from the row number. This ensures that your serial numbers begin at 1, instead of starting with the row number of 2 or above. After setting up the logic, for when the cell has content, we need to decide what happens when it doesn't. This is our value if false scenario within the if function. Quite simply, we want to leave the cell blank if there's no data in the respective row. In Google Sheets, to leave a cell blank, we use a set of double quotation marks. So, putting it all together, your formula will look something like this. In the target cell, where you want the serial numbers to appear, you'll enter your if function with the condition and actions we've just discussed. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. With this method, you're set up to automatically insert serial numbers in your Google Sheets without any hassle. Every new piece of data you add will be seamlessly numbered, maintaining order and saving you time. I hope this guide has provided the clarity you need to implement automatic serial numbering in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy numbering.